Hey guys, this is Saraj, and today I'm going to show you how to render your own concept in Photoshop. So let's get started. As you can see, this sketch is really simple and basic. Not much details are there in this sketch, but that's fine. As we go on further, we will get to see how surface transition comes out to be. So I'm just starting with the lasso tool. The lasso tool is a really handy tool, and it really helps in quick renders. So basically, quick renders are just to communicate your idea in a short period of time, and usually quick renders are done in 20 to 30 minutes. And for this render I just took 20-25 minutes. Over here I try to give a light grayish tone, and on that I will give shadows. So we have a darker shade for shadows, and this for light we will just take a light tone for shadows. Always start working in grayscale, because grayscale is the easiest for understanding light and shadows. You can just work with three simple shades: light gray, dark gray, and middle tone. So this is the light catcher. So this was the light catcher, and the bottom part I made it a bit darker, as it's facing the ground. So now over here uh, I just made this dynamic looking shape for my arm. So yeah, I'm giving a bit darker shadow for here. So firstly, I'm thinking of the surface transition, how the surface will go. So it's basically in my mind, and you have to think about your surface before rendering. So I thought, like, before rendering I thought those surfaces. So this is the fenders. I'm giving some light. Obviously it is facing upwards. So yeah, and one more thing, important thing, just decide a light source. So basically my light source is somewhere up 45 degrees above the car. Now I'm using the pen tool, because for perfection pen tool is the best. As you know, the lasso tool is like a little bit based on your hand, like how perfect your hand is in terms of making shapes. Right now I just wanted to make the same shape. So over here I just wanted to make the inner part of the concept, and the center, like the DLO part. So I'm just giving some darker shade to differentiate between the side panels and the DLO, the inside part. So over here you can see the transition very well because I just gave a highlight over there, and this blue light is basically the light from the sky. I'm just trying to add reflections from the sky. Uh, Same for the rear fender. So I'm trying to make this render with the least amount of layers. So as you can see, I'm using 3 layers. The actually the rest of the layers are just some of my previous work. Now over here, I'm just trying to add a little bit depth. So this is just trial and error. You need to be as perfect as you can for lasso tool, but by daily practice you will be able to use maximum like 1 month or something if you daily practice. Over here I'm not giving a lot of highlight because this part is facing downwards, and okay, and this is the headlight or something like DRL. I don't know, crazy concept. Obviously you can give some cool shapes for DRL. Okay, so this is a small design element which I wanted to add because it was looking a bit empty over there. So I tried to add these stripes, but to balance it out, also I'm going to do it over here. So yes, for perfection using pen tool. I'm just fast forwarding this so that you won't get bored. After that, uh, press Ctrl Enter to make it a selection. Then press Ctrl H. It will just hide the marching ants if you don't want them in between. Like, Now I will place the wheels. Just select your favorite rim, because right now we are not focused on the design of the rim. We just want to show our concept, which is the whole vehicle. So you can choose any favorite rim you want, and just try to add some highlight on the wheels also. And yes, you are done. Not much is left to do. So thank you so much, guys. If you like this type of renders, tell me in the comments that you want more of these renders. If you want sketches, then tell me more that you want more sketches. But I would like to have your suggestion. Like, do you like time lapse videos more, or do you like these type of videos? Just comment and tell me. Thank you.